If your skin looks dull, tired, and older than your age, the problem might not be your skincare routine. You've tried the creams, the serums, the expensive treatments, but your skin still looks exhausted. That's because the problem isn't on the surface. It's happening inside your cells. Your mitochondria are tiny power plants inside your cells. They produce 90% of your body's energy. Your skin is the largest organ in your body. It's constantly repairing itself, shedding old cells, and creating new ones. All of that repair and regeneration requires energy that your mitochondria provide. After age 30, mitochondria decline by up to 10% every decade. Your skin cells get less fuel to do their job. When cellular energy drops, skin repair slows down, cell turnover decreases. Your skin looks dull, tired, and older. No cream can fix this because the problem isn't on the outside. It's a lack of energy on the inside. Scientists found 6 natural compounds that support mitochondrial health. Maqui Berry provides powerful antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage, a major cause of skin aging. Rhodiola helps cells produce energy more efficiently, giving skin cells the fuel they need to regenerate. Theobroma Cacao supports healthy blood flow, delivering nutrients to skin cells. Haematococcus provides Astaxanthin, known for skin health benefits. Amla supports cellular regeneration and collagen production. Schisandra helps protect skin from environmental stress. I want to be upfront with you. The link in the description is an affiliate link. I may earn a small commission if you try it. This comes at no extra cost to you. I only share what I genuinely believe can help. Mitolyn combines all 6 compounds in one supplement designed to support mitochondrial health. It comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Check the link in the description. It's time to support your skin from the inside out.